Okay, so what else could we do? I mean, what could be better than this? Um, maybe a lot more bones. So instead of just having one or two, I'm going to duplicate these. That drives me bonkers. So in the P5 editor, in order to duplicate different lines neatly, I think you have to have your cursor. I wonder, see, it's not just creating neat new lines. Why is that? So I'm highlighting it there from there. Come on, come on, come on. No, bonkers, drives me bonkers. What if you start that highlighting from there? Yes, okay. So when you're creating duplicates of different lines using the keyboard shortcut, if you start highlighting the lines of code from the one before it, then it will duplicate it as a chunk. I don't know, it's annoying. Okay, moving on. It doesn't do this in other text editors. This is something that is going on in this P5 online editor. Okay, so now we have two more bones, and let's create two more bones here. See, will this do a neat copying of the lines? Yes. Okay, and then we're going to make these bone 3 and bone 4. And now let's just give them a different position to start. I'm just making some stuff up here, putting them around at random places, giving them different rotations. Who knows what's going on here, different sizes. And now that we've created them, now we have to display them. So again, I'm going to copy these lines and copy these two. Hit Shift-Tab to organize it. And now give them bone 3 and bone 4. Do this all for bone 3. Oops, bone 3 and bone 4. Okay, now run this. Now we have 4 more bones. Okay, so what are other things that you could do? Actually, I'm going to show you how to add gravity, actually maybe just rotation to these bones, and then you can look into adding gravity, or I'll suggest some other videos so that you can look at different ways that you might move your objects in more interesting ways than just having them fall down, like have them bounce like a bouncing ball, or use a physics library to have them pile up at the bottom if you want to get crazy. Okay, let's see. So to have them rotate as they fall, inside the move method in the bone class, we could just say, hey, as they are doing all this, actually independent of them doing all this, let's have this dot angle, so this is happening every frame, increase by 1. So plus plus is the shorthand for, and I'll make a note of this, this dot angle plus plus is shorthand for this dot angle equals this dot angle plus 1. Bam. And I'm going to comment that out, so that's for your reference. Okay, so this dot angle is increasing. Now we haven't, here we have, oh, the rotation. We called it rotation here. So actually, let's change this from this dot angle to this dot rotation. My bad. And run this. And now they are all spinning as they fall. Wonderful.